When it comes to ordering a new C8 Corvette, you have 3 trim levels to choose from. So you have a 1LT, 2LT, and a 3LT. Now I have people all the time asking me if the 3LT interior package is actually worth it. Now, seeing as I did option out my 2023 C8 Corvette with the 3LT interior package, I'm gonna be able to give you guys an up-close look at the entire interior. For those of you wondering why I'm saying interior package, it's because the only differences between the 2LT and the 3LT packages has to do with the interior. Nothing else on the entire car is affected from going from the 2LT to 3LT. So, now coming directly from Chevrolet's website, the 3LT interior has 3 major selling points. So you have standard GT2 bucket seats, you have a more premium interior leather quality, I believe it's Napa leather, and then you also have microfiber suede inserts on the upper trim of the interior. And this package is going to cost you a cool $5,000 more than the standard 2LT trim package, so it's quite a bit more. Also, I will add that if you want the blue interior like this one, or the red or tan dipped interior, which has like every single trim piece red or tan, then you have to get the 3LT trim. You cannot get the blue or the dipped interiors with the 2 or 1LT Stingrays or Z06. So now we're going to get some close-up shots of the main differences of the 3LT interior, starting with the GT2 bucket seats. As you can see, the bucket seats are very nice looking. They even have carbon fiber right there in the middle. Door panel, you can see that this thing is wrapped in beautiful Napa leather, and it also has the blue stitching that runs all the way around the entire door panel. Then moving on to the inside, you have a leather wrapped glove box, and all of these trim panels right here are wrapped in Napa leather, as well as the center console cover, and then the entire top part of the dash. Moving over to the driver's side, top dash portion, all of this up here is leather wrapped with blue stitching all over it. Next up, we have the leather wrapped kick panel below the steering wheel. And then also the center portion here beside the AC controls. Lastly, whenever it comes to the interior leather portion, you have the airbag and the steering wheel that is wrapped in leather and also has the blue stitching on the actual airbag itself. Now, the final part of the 3LT interior has to do with the suede microfiber inserts, as you can see. Now, these inserts run all the way up the A-pillar, all the way to the top of the car, and then even behind the headrest back here, and run all the way down. Now, these suede pieces look absolutely amazing in my opinion, and there's even blue stitching on the removable roof, which I thought was a very nice touch. So there you have it, guys. Let me know in the comments if you think the 3LT trim is actually worth ordering on these new C8 Corvettes, and I will see you guys in the next video.